ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.
15 rules. You can recruit automated marketing text messages. Consent not required to purchase. Message data rates may apply.
The team's looking good this season.
I think so. Man, I miss playing football. Ever since I turned 40, I just can't find that fire I used to have.
Think it could be lower testosterone?
What do you mean?
I was feeling the same way. After 40, the body has less testosterone, and that means the edge. That's why I take Nugenix Total T2.
That's the testosterone booster, right?
Yes, but Total T2 is their brand new formula that skyrockets nitric oxide levels in as little as 3 hours. Since I started taking it, I've been lifting like when we played for Coach Carter. My energy is way up, and it even spiced up things between me and the missus.
Are they still giving out complimentary bottles?
Yep, just send the text.
Text M to 215-215 for your complimentary bottle of Nugenix Total T2, the next generation testosterone booster. Text now and we'll include a bottle of Nugenix Thermo X, our newest, most powerful fat burner ever, absolutely free. Text M to 215-215. That's HIM to 215-215.
These statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Paid for by Adaptive Health.
Mic drop. Hosted by former Navy SEAL Mike Ridland.
What does it mean to be an American? To be American is you love your country above all else.
I love this country. I was born here, raised here. I offered my life to serve this country.
And if you don't do your part to preserve what we have here and our culture, it's going to be gone. And we can't let that happen.
Yeah, that's Mic Drop.
Mic drop. Follow and listen on your favorite platform.
Cable 98.1, home of the 98-minute non-stop ball ride.
Party never ends. You're just gonna have fun.
Ready to kick off another Cable Solid
Another Friday night, there's a line of cars. Home team's got a night time.
February 17th.
I'm just a parking lot down and out under that high school preacher, throwback pictures, dog crates. Her mama was my homeroom teacher, and her dad was helping on set. Yeah, I'm
to his fence. It's not bad over here. They plowed the road and everything. Not through Pleasant Valley. Today is Tuesday, 17th. The 15th was Sunday, and I think we broke a record of being like a 61 or 62. It was just gorgeous. And then 2 days later, here we are, a foot of snow. Good stuff. I'm not complaining. We definitely needed the snow. We were getting low on water. Oh boy, what to do about this? This fella might go for the pass. Let's see what let me see when we get up here. Yeah. He's being a little precautious there. I'm just gonna go around him. Beep beep. I'm doing 40. He's doing at least 20. It's not. Oh well. I feel pretty comfortable doing what I'm doing. I could probably go faster if I wanted to. I'm going to though. Jiggled me right in the ditch. Pretty close. That was a close call. Almost had to loud up the gas there for a second. Heat up in the 60s again by what I say today. Today's Tuesday, so I'm guessing Thursday, Friday we'll be in the 60s. We'll all be flooding instead of out snowshoeing. We'll be out tubing. Get the air mattress out. Oh, here comes some wind again. That was close. Give her the juice. Don't let off. Move that pickup in front of you. And just give her the beans. Oh, there's that sheriff right there. Look at that. Right there to my left is a sheriff. I think it's a volunteer sheriff too. But anyway, we made the same amount of time as they did. And I only had to pass one vehicle. My blood pressure did not get up because of the morons. So now I'll just keep trucking along. Coming home might be a different story. Good net. Yeah, that's easy peasy here. Oh, you guys can't even see in front of me. There we go. Look at there. Coming home might be a different story. I'll film that. Oh my gosh, what's going on there? I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a truck sideways in the freeway right there. Hold on here. Let's take a look at this. Oh dear Lord. Oh, you're not going to be able to see him. But there's a truck sideways right here on the freeway. Hold on here. I don't want to get in trouble with my camera on my truck because of I'm playing. Oh yeah, he's just right over the hill right here. Oh dear, he can't see. Oh well. That's gonna gum up some stuff. Oh dear. At least now for me, getting on the freeway might be. Oh wait a minute. Nope. Oh look at that. It's a. Well, I don't think I need to say what it is. Poor old Ford. Just trying this damn this. Alright, I'm gonna have to merge onto the, oh gosh, yeah, I'm gonna have to merge onto the freeway right here. Get right here behind this Ranger. There, alright, everything. Oh, coming home it's not gonna be bad after all. What, I don't, what's the brakes on for? No brakes. I'm gonna have to turn you guys off for a little while because I'm gonna start yelling and cursing real bad. Oh wait, what's going on? He's over there now. I wonder if I should take this exit too. Oh wait. Oh man, wait a minute. Let's see what's on the other side of this freeway here. Oh, just a couple of trucks putting chains on or something. Oh, the doubles. Started doubles getting a little crooked. Winter driving conditions. Oh gosh, there's flashing lights up here. You want to stay here and take a look, see what it is, or jump off the freeway? I think it's on the other side of the freeway. Oh yeah, there's a white car up against the gym wall here. We're gonna stick with it. Oh boy. Oh no, he really got himself in a pickle. Yeah, I might just take the back way home, but... Oh wait, that's not the only one that's in the wall. Oh, we got a guy down here in the ditch. Oh, we got this van past me. He's gonna lose it. There's that white car. He okay. Yep, he's just on his phone. Oh, he got the BMW down in the snowbank right there. Oh, good golly. He's looking for his insurance card or his AAA card. Got that guy trying to haul trusses. He's not going to get nowhere. Oh, good Lord. Oh, boy. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be taking the back way home because I'm not going to get back on the freeway. My exit's the next exit. It's just a couple miles up here. And I'm getting paid by the hour, so I'm not going to jump over in the left lane. All right. That was touch and go for a second. Oh boy. Yeah, I'll be going home the back way. This is. Oh, there's a semi right there. He go ahead and get out, put his chains on, or I don't know. Passenger door's open. He is. He's had enough. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that's where you put chains on. Right there in the left lane. What is that? Huh? I don't know. I better not call names. I mean, that's just. Oh boy. All right, I'm in. I'm getting. Oh yeah, that is. There's nobody behind me. So that truck that got sideways must have caused a bigger incident because there is no traffic. Oh, what's this? Oh, there's a tow truck right there. A big one. He's just sitting there chilling. Yep. Well, that's a... Whoa, sorry, bub. You're alright. We didn't hit. Look at the traffic on that side. Now it's cleared up. Here comes some more. Yep. All right. This is my exit, so I will. You know what? We're just gonna run with it. Oh, there's another tow truck with all the lights on. Whoa, we're getting jiggered. All kinds of jiggering going on here. Alright. This will be our exit. Nice and slow. What's that saying? Slow and steady wins the race every time, or something like that. I don't know if that's the saying or not, but we're gonna turn here. All right, no problems in the old work truck. All right. Let's see here if I'm going to be able to stop at the bottom of the hill. I think we're just going to run with it. Oh boy. There's cars there too. Hey, that's, that looks like... Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Slipping, sliding. He's trying to plow, but not. Oh gosh! Now this is what I gotta fight on the way home. Now, come on. There's a lot of FedEx trucks right here. The 4s of them. Oh gosh! Oh gosh! Oh gosh! I better turn on the windshield wiper so I can see what's going on here. Oh, well, that didn't help anything. Alright, here's my, no, this guy, he is, alright, come on. Alright. Oh, here. You guys okay? Alright, well, we're going to turn you off for a second. Alright, I'm on my way home. Taking the back away. All the way. Lori had said there is a ton of people slid off in a ditch and such along the East Lake, which that I live off of, which going around the lake. So we're gonna see what. Oh, bumpy! Hang on! Oh dear! Are you guys all right? That was twice I did that. Get you wedged up there real good, like. We'll see what happens here in a few minutes. Get up here to trying to get you a nice place to sit on the dash with a good view. Oh, stayed up here and told you, I reckon. Oh, that guy's following me up there. Watch out, bird. Oh, jeez. All right. Well, this road's not bad at all. Car going. Where's this guy? What happened to this guy? What's the story of him? Is he just parked there, or? Oh yeah. Well, it looks like he got scared and had to pull over. Focus here. What's going on?
Bull 91, as promised, let's give you that sweet deal for the world's
There
largest
we go.
whiskey and outdoor sports
All right.
event, Team Whiskey
Time to head up the hill
Bonanza.
here.
Coming back this year, Saturday, April the 4th, noon until 9 at the Reno Sparks
Yeah, they
Livestock
plowed
Event
this
Center.
road too.
Whiskey lovers will
A lot
enjoy
better than
unlimited tastings of national and local
they have done in
brands with
the-
delicious food and
Oh, wait a
pairings
minute.
and
Who is this?
dancing and DJs and a rock wall, and the list goes on and on. It is
Wait a
family-friendly
minute.
Event. All right, 12 and under are free. If you want a half-off ticket, hello, is this thing on? Who doesn't? $68 value for just $34. That is half off. Go to kbul.com because they
Hey!
are our sweet deals this week.
How
With
much
our
for you to
sweet
come
deals
pay, do my
tab.
driveway?
But hurry, there's only a limited amount for the half.
Oh, I'm
off
over in the
price.
valley. That is crazy, huh? Yeah. At least you're getting plowed, dude. There's no plows anywhere. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yep. And this is what my back way of going home, because freeway's crap right now, so. Yeah, there's another like a pickup too, like a older Ford, maybe a Super Duty that's all, you know, with a tractor. Hello. Yep. Yep. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Well, that's the thing. I was working in Reno. It's probably 8 inches. Sparks is nothing. Then you get on this side, like, holy shit, you know? Yeah. 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 Oh, that wind was blowing that snow. It was terrible. Right. Right. Yeah. Yeah, Lori said Eastlake is terrible. She got home around 3 o'clock, and she was saying that Eastlake is people just sliding all over the place. Yeah. Yeah. No, about 40's about what I've been cruising around in. I mean, I'm getting paid by the hour, so I'm not in no big hurry or anything. So, yeah, I'm not. I've got a little bit of weight in the back, so I'm not too worried about it. But easy money right here, just driving around, you know, watching people slide around. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Well, we went to the cabins last week and had a great time. Coming home Sunday, like, gosh dang it, you know, and I knew they said, hey, oh, it's snowing, you know. I'm like, there's no way it's gonna snow. And here it is, you know, like, are you kidding me? Yeah. Oh, is that right? Yeah, we'll be flooding here next week. I will. Yep. I gotcha. Huh. Well, I'll let this guy go by then. Oh, I gotcha. Right. Yeah, that's crazy how he must have done it on purpose. You on the driveway? Yeah. Right. Well, at least you got plowed, so that's a big plus there. Oh. Right, yeah. Well, I just figured because that merged from, well, I guess, you know, there by the hospital and Taco Bell, all that right there, it gets, people are, so I'm going around it. Oh, okay. Right. Yeah, I figured that you'd be out pulling a bunch of people out. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Right. Uh-huh. Right. Right. Yeah. Well, a lot of people know this way, you know. So, all right. Well, we'll see you later. Take care and safe shoveling. Yeah, for sure. Hey, you too. Stop and visit there for some friends. Yeah, I'm gonna have to find somebody to shovel my driveway, because if we don't shovel it, it'll just get packed down and it will take 3 months to get rid of the snow. It's always in the shade. It's terrible. Alright, this is so far so good. We'll take another turn here and go up some more hills. Come out right there at the freeway. Oh, this has been plowed too. Good knit. That was hilarious that you go through the valley and nothing's been plowed. You come on these side streets up here where the fancy houses are. Gosh dang, it's almost cleared up here. Oh boy. Whoa. Slipping and sliding. I really wasn't. My hand fell off the wheel. This Chevrolet, you really have to keep your hands on the wheel, otherwise it'll put you right in a ditch without. Needs alignment. Needs all the you know how Chevys are. They don't drive straight anyway. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's getting foggy. It's either foggy or snowy up here. Looks like somebody went in the what in the ditch or something there. I don't know what happened there. That kind of weird marks in the road, but oh, it's this snowy up on the top of the road, on top of the hill. Oh, I should see about borrowing that guy's snow blower. Turn right here. He's just defrosting his truck. Oh, we have a tractor in the road. Oh no, we got a semi up in front of us too that he doesn't know where he's at or what he's doing. Oh boy. Hold on there, Ford. If you get over there too far, you'll just fall right in there. Here in a few seconds, you're gonna be seeing a semi. And he's kind of up here where he probably shouldn't be. Good old Google. Oh boy. Oh, I hope he doesn't slide in the ditch because there is no way I can go around him. Yeah, he's not even chained up. He's just trying to get. He's trying to get through all the. You jackwagon. Nope. Get off your brakes. Just go for it. Boy, if you just pull over just a little bit, I could go around you. Oh man. I don't really want to follow this guy the whole way. Nope. Do not slow. You give her the fuel. Get up the hill. Get up that hill. Oh, you jackwagon. Give her the. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I'm gonna have to plug my work phone in and see the way. Oh. Oh dear. You guys fell down again. Jeez. Well, he's making up the hill. That's all that matters to me, I guess. Get on Oh, here comes the. Oh boy. People are gonna. Well, we did okay. You went around. I'm gonna go around. Oh. He turned off his hazards anyway. He must not be in danger anymore. I just can't wait till we get to the bottom here. See what happens. We're almost to the bottom. It's just right there past him. Oh, here comes a plow. Yeah, oh boy, he is gonna. Well, he made it. Well, looky there. I bet your Home Depot is sold out on the old snow blowers for the one day incident here, but Will was saying it might be next week as well. Oh gosh, here comes another car. 2 more cars. Everybody know. Oh, yep. Oh, he's staying down there. He's staying down low until. Yep. What is that guy doing? He's turning around. He going. Oh boy, we're gonna get ourselves in a predicament here with this guy and that guy, and this guy, he's trying to back up. Yep. Our spot's not so secret anymore of taking the back way home. That's weird. Right there is the yellow line. They got more road than I do. Oh gosh. Yep. All you guys need to move so he can make this turn. Do you not understand how this works? Oh gosh, he's gonna hit this fire hydrant. Oh man, I had to go around that truck. That truck hit the stop sign, and I accidentally hit pause. I had a lot of things going on there for a second, and I don't know if you guys got it, him hitting that stop sign. But anyway, we're coming down the hill here. I'm gonna take a righty. We're gonna get on the East Lake here and go around the lake. And Lori was saying that there's all kinds of, well, I can't say the bad word, but all kinds of, this guy, he's just out playing. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's another truck. He well, get out of the way and I'll come around. He's like, come around, go around. Get out of my damn, oh boy, look at this. What'd I tell you guys? We got this, what in the, I don't know what, yeah, so we're on East Lake. Look at this, not even, it doesn't even look like it's been plowed. Just kind of guessing where the road is. I'm just gonna aim for the middle. Oh, maybe it's been plowed. I don't know. It's wind drifts and people plowing their road or their driveways, stacking it out here in the streets. This is good stuff. Good stuff. Oh no, it's been plowed, I guess. Alright. Just looks a lot different from everything else. Maybe I should clean my glasses and I'll be able to see. I guess we just stay in between the reflectors here. I think we'll be all right. We're coming upon a vehicular. Oop. I'm not sure what he's on the brakes for. I don't think you're going to... Oh, here. Well, it's a car. You have to slow down and go around here. Plus a little corner. Oh, man. We really touch and go, but we made it. Oh, yeah. This guy... That's all right. I get paid by the hour. Just relax. Breathe in and breathe out. No brakes. You just let off the gas. You're gonna be just fine. Good Lord. Oh, this guy, he is that a boy. Yeah. I got a bad feeling he's gonna hit his brakes every time you see a vehicular. Oh. Whoa. Might have to get the buggy out. Play around when I get home there. I haven't seen anybody in the ditch yet. I can't see the freeway. I'll show you the freeway to see how bad it was, but watch. That car's coming right now. He's gonna hit the brakes. Let's see what happens. Oh man, I was wrong. He didn't hit the brakes. Shoot. Boy, I would have lost the taco. Oh, afterwards. I would have lost the taco. This really upsets me. I was hoping to see people in the ditch, like Lori said. What a fibber. Oh. Oh boy. I'm going around the corner. Oh, he's got it. He's getting it. Yeah, you did it. There'd be a lot more traffic on this road too. Huh. Hold on. Oh, yeah, he's on the brakes now. We got a doozy of a doozy. Oh, look at there, bud. You made it. Woohoo! You did it. Attaboy. Ooh. You can see where somebody in the ditch there, where, like Lori said, that's Todd's fishing spot right there. Yeah, that's a pretty good drop off too. Saved it. Oh boy, it's starting to. This windshield wiper is no good. This hunk of junk. All right, everybody's doing good now. Everybody slow down. Taking her. Alright. Here comes another corner here that all you gotta do is left the gas pedal. No brakes. Attaboy. Now give it. Give her the beans. Oh, jeez, he didn't. This Chevrolet is too new. It has all the safety features, so you can't even spin a tire. Oh. Yay. What's that? Oh no, my. Oh boy, add oil. Oh, the Chevrolet's needing oil. Oh gosh. Let me see. It says low battery. That seems about right. And what else? Just low battery. Oh, change engine oil soon. All right, all good. Yep, add oil. Oh, oil, engine oil low, add oil. Whew. That cannot. We bet. Oh, there's an abandoned car right there. All right. Better get home and add some 90-50 to it. That will shut her up. Some good old 90 weight gear oil. Oh boy. Yeah, look at this. Can you read that? Oh, I got you all crooked. Whoa, whoa, bumpity bump bump. All right, so this is what the truck says. Can you see it? I'm trying to. Low battery. All right, good. Change engine oil soon. All right, and then the next word is going to be, survey says, add oil. Oh, these Chevrolets. It's kind of ones you kick the tires. You tell them to check the oil, fill the gas. No, fill the oil, check the gas. That's what it is. Well, I better let somebody know about this tomorrow. Sounds pretty serious. There's nobody in the ditch or nothing. I can see where people went in the ditch, but none now. Smooth sailing. He's I don't know where he's going there. He's clearing another lane. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but he is making sure I don't pass or something. I'm not even tailgating the guy. He's just taking his half right in the middle of the road, playing it safe. Oh, well, that's what the guys behind me is doing too. So it's Ford Bronco behind me. You know how the Ford Bronco boys drive and girl. You know who I'm talking about when you watch this. Oh. Looks like I'm gonna make a homo. Okay. Maybe that Bronco boy, old Bronco Billy there, maybe he's wanting to pass, but he can't because that Suburban in front of me is not allowed. Either Suburban or a Blazer, one of the two. Oh, he's not. Nah, he's back there a little ways. He's just enjoying the ride. I'm guessing the road is better in the middle. Oh, I just got. He slowed way down. We were doing pretty. We were up to like 35 now. He got scared. We're about 20 now. Yeah. He's still not gonna get over. He's like, F you, dude. Oh, look at this. You got a guy out there pulling a kid on a side-by-side in a sled. Ha! Awesome. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll get home. I'll put Lori on the sled. Oh, I'll rip her around. Oh, I'm gonna slingshot her around corners. Oh, this is gonna be. Oh, wait for that film to. I'll wait till that movie comes out. All right, he's turning. Sayonara. I'll be turning here in a few seconds, but oh, he's got to stop before he turns. It is a Suburban. That's the problem. Oh, there's another buggy down there whipping around. Yep. All right, and that's what we'll do. I guess that's the rules out here. Another guy with a snow blower. You'll hear my machine yelling at me because I'm going faster than 35. Whoa. That was close. All right, folks. I'm almost home, so I'll have a video of Lori out on the sled. Yep. All right. Peace out. Be safe. Oh dear. It's yeah, no joke. Oh, my truck was dragging too. Well, that's how so deep the snow is. I could flatten the tires of the truck, I guess, and good Lord. Yeah, dragging all the way through. Okay. I gotta find the shovel for Lori so she dig us a trail out with the machine. Then we'll find a sled. Yep. I'm gonna say we got a good foot. Yeah, this bullshit. I got low cut shoes. Bullshit. Good Lord. Oh boy. Oh yeah. I'm gonna wear my rubber boots to work tomorrow. This is crazy. Yeah. Okay.